Hey guys, this is Ayush again from HackerVan. So WebDas, what is it? Sounds like Devdas to me. Yes, that's where it comes from, just to make it sound cool. So WebDas is another movement, I would say, that comes under the GoFit challenge as a part of the 50-day confidence therapy. So what are we going to cover in WebDas? By WebDas I mean a web development engineer, like a Devdas. So Devdas, Paro was the Das of Dev. So we'll be a Das of web development or a full stack development profile. Why full stack development? Because full stack development is a specialization which I have chosen as part of my Google Fitness program. Because data structures and algorithms, which we are already covering in the Code to 500 challenge, is something very generic, which you should be great at if you're planning to get into Google. But as a part of specialization, I chose WebDas as a full stack development profile. What we'll be covering in full stack development profile are not frameworks, but design patterns, the theory, the concept. Why? Because web development is a very dynamic thing. You have a framework today, it will be outdated tomorrow. We had Python-based frameworks like web.py, Django, which I worked on in my professional career. Now we have moved to totally JavaScript-based server-side and client-side frameworks like Node.js. You had Angular, now Angular 2.0 is there. You have React. So we'll be covering these frameworks as well as part of our practical examples, but mostly it'll be about design patterns and it'll be about concepts. And as a practical, we'll be also making a full-fledged application which will be deployed and beta testing available. That is an application which we are planning in collaboration with Liberal. So that is what is important. What that application is about, we'll talk in a separate video where we'll have a Liberal team with us as well. So over and out then.